the lonely flower monster.
I wish I had a friend. Oh, what is that? Oh, oh, what's this? Oh, what? Whoa! Oh! Oh!
Who are you?
Do you need a friend? Well, go to that village.
Friend?
You will find the friends you were looking for.
Friend?
Go and find your friends.
I'm going to count to 10. 1, 2. Huh?
Friend?
What? What is that?
It's a flower monster! Run away!
Play with me.
Let me down!
This is fun.
Chili! Chili! Put that sauce down right now! Chili! Oh no! Stop! We will shoot you if you don't stop! Wait!
Give me more.
Stop! You monster!
Monster? I'm not a monster!
This is going to be fun.
Look at this! It's a Tyrannosaurus Rex!
Wow, that's nice!
Oh, wow! Yeah, you're really good.
Ta-da! This is mine! Isn't it cool?
What is that?
No, it's a tornado snake. Guys, how is the dough?
Oh, hey, Deke!
I'll put the ingredients here. Oh no! What should I do?
Oh, no!
Sorry, everyone.
It's okay, Deke.
Guys, something happened. I feel dark energy in Fry Square.
Dark energy?
Has something happened again?
Let's go and solve it.
Yes!
Be careful, guys.
What?
Chili, banana guns are useless. What should we do?
Dionysus!
What is that?
It's flour.
Over there! I see something! It's a dark recipe card!
Why does everyone hate me?
No, we don't hate you. We need you.
Yes!
No, you're lying.
Good. Destroy everything.
No, something terrible is about to happen. We need to save flour with our twinkle energy. Sauces!
Yes!
On you
Take this!
too!
Now!
Good! Sauce power! Ha! Twinkle, twinkle! Bam, bam! Change! Rolling pin cha-cha! Wow! Hey, leave it to me now! Let's get started! Roll, roll, ha! Roll, roll, ha ha ha! Cha! Wow! The flower monster is... Whoa!
Huh? Whoa! Sauces! Look over there! Is it a fairy?
Wow!
Oh my! It's a recipe card! We found one more!
Those sauces did it again. They ruined my plan. They are going to pay for this!
Huh?
He's awake!
Here,
We didn't have enough flour.
thanks to you, we were able to make some cookies.
Let's share it with everyone in the village.
Okay.
Isn't it delicious, Grandma?
Anyone want more cookies?
Let's have a cookie party!
Just you wait. Next time. Hey, everyone! Let me help too!
Come quick.